Now it's done. Today we're gonna cook sugar snap peas. I cut them in half. We're also gonna use some garlic, 4 pieces. Small onion, cut in half. Some leftover grilled hamburger yesterday, and I'm gonna use it too, but it's optional. Some shrimp, I already put black pepper and salt. We're gonna cook it with extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper. I'm gonna use this chili with black bean, and then this one right here is spicy chili crisps. I'm gonna use that. I'm also gonna use mushroom flavored dark soy sauce and a little bit sugar. Okay, let's start. Now we're gonna put some of this virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. The pan is already hot. Now we're gonna put garlic. Gotta put some onion. Open this. Oh, I cannot open it. Okay, I'm back. First, I'm gonna put some of this black beans. 1 tablespoon. Then there's chili, half a teaspoon. Shrimp. It was dark, so I have to turn on the light. We're going to add this leftover hamburger. Now we're gonna add the sugar piece. gonna add some of this soy sauce. Just a little bit, it's dark soy sauce. Some pepper. Some salt. Half a teaspoon. Sugar. Just a little bit. Okay. Stir it. Okay, now it's done. All we have to wait for the rice. When the rice is cooked. Now it's done. Here's my plate. There's the shrimp, there's the sugar snap peas, and some rice in the middle. Okay, so let's taste it. Mix it all up. Here it is. Still smoking. Really good. And it's really quick to cook that kind of stuff. All right, here's the shrimp. It's a little bit spicy, but it's really good. Bye. Bye.